What's up, guys? It's JC Kick coming to you with a Angelus Direct unboxing. Shout out to them. Got the kitchen knife on deck. Yeah, I gotta do this with one hand, so pretty difficult. Alright, it's open. See what I got here. Take these papers out. Might be personal information. Alright, first of all, I got this little drawstring book bag they sent me. Drawstring bag. Thanks. That was free. I didn't buy that. They just threw that in. I got a towel in there. Microfiber towel. Got some rope laces. Black and gold. Got some neutral dye. Suede dye. Angelus Easy Cleaner. Great product. Some 4-ounce flat white acrylic leather paint. Some matte acrylic finisher. I have 5 mixing jars, I believe. 5 of these. Got fire red acrylic leather paint. Got infrared 2014 collector's edition. Got the French blue collector's edition for the Obsidian 12s. I got Angelus leather preparer and the glazer. Got flat black. Set of brushes. It's a nubuck and suede kit. I got Thunder Yellow for the Thunder Forest. And I got a 12-pack of 1 ounce. Got this brush right here. Premium brush. Again, shout out to Angelus. Angelus Direct. Got red, blue, copper, gift box blue, Tiffany, whatever you want to call it, same thing. Got some gold paint. Got some orange. Yeah, I'll be getting a tripod. I'm sorry about the shakiness of the video. Got some standard yellow. Got some silver. Got some South Beach. Got some cream paint. Got some standard green. And I got purple. Pretty much it for the unboxing. Nothing else really. Alright, thanks for viewing. Like, comment, subscribe. And shout out to Angelus Direct for the products. Great products. You'll see more unboxings from me in the future. Alright, peace out.